So we have a record number of leather, not on purpose, of course, but a 4-foot vertical wall. And the turtles that were coming up there were just coming up and you couldn't get up to the top of the beach. So they just turned around and I think they came to our beach. And so you say that, but my arms are gonna fall off. So yeah, I think they were just coming to the closest beach where they could get up. What's that?
We'll get you some biofreeze.
Yeah. And then this looks like a nice little healthy hatched egg. And this one, I can actually let you guys feel. Yeah, he's alive. They're alive.
They look like lollipops.
They look like lollipops.
Don't eat them. Make them real large.
And they eat half of their weight in jellyfish every day. So if it weighs 1,000 pounds, how many pounds of jellyfish are they eating?
500.
500 pounds! Oh my gosh, what would we do without them? I want to know. Dark sand. They probably didn't think they were going to get out. So a lot of times they're slow and then
It's like a tomato.
yeah, so sometimes we see this.
It looks like
Just in a regular.
It looks like a
It's just gonna look like a chicken egg inside, just a yolk and some clear. When they're developing, the top eggs will develop faster because it's warmer. Nothing we can do. No.
What about the dog?
Don't touch it.
Eva, acampa que las puedan mirar, quédate paradita. Dile a la niña que se mueva un poquito.
Come all the way around the front.
He's gonna look in the boathouse. I'll be right there.
They're ready to go.
Are they all going back? Or?
Yeah, they're all gonna go into the water right now.
That is so cute.
That's what O2 does for you.
Yeah, exactly. Like, oh my goodness. You're not.
I did one before.
Okay. Yeah, I was gonna say.
And you're normally near the
Kaylee.
Yeah.
I was texting Jackie and she's like,
Oh, okay. I'm sorry, you guys, can you come out of the water actually?